To query Uniswap swap via API, you need to understand the basics of Uniswap and its API endpoints. Uniswap is a decentralized exchange protocol that facilitates automated transactions between cryptocurrency tokens on the Ethereum blockchain. The Uniswap API provides access to real-time market data and historical data. First, you need to choose an API provider that offers Uniswap data, such as the Uniswap GraphQL API, or third-party APIs like CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap. Each API provider has its own set of endpoints and parameters that you can use to query the data you need. Once you have chosen an API provider, you need to obtain an API key if required. Some APIs are open and do not require an API key, while others require you to sign up for an account and obtain a key. Next, you need to determine what data you want to query. Uniswap offers a wide range of data such as swap events, token prices, and liquidity pool data. You can use the API endpoints to query this data and retrieve it in a format such as JSON or CSV. To query Uniswap swap data, you can use the Uniswap GraphQL API, which provides a single endpoint for querying all types of data. You can use a tool like GraphQL or a programming language like Python or JavaScript to send a query to the API. For example, to query the latest swap events for a specific token pair, you can use a query like this. Query swaps first 100 where token address in equals 0xco2 AAA 39B223 FE8D0A0E5COVALENTC4F27EAD 9083C756CC2 and token address out equals 0xDAC179F953A22069945997C13D831EC7. It is essential to follow best practices when querying the Uniswap API, such as handling rate limits and errors and caching data to reduce the number of requests you make to the API. By following these steps and using the Uniswap API, you can retrieve valuable data and insights about the Uniswap ecosystem and build your own applications and tools on top of the protocol.